Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a SonOff LBS L1 LED smart light strip and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your LED lights will not connect to a device, or they won't pair, or they won't sync with an app, or you're having any kind of issues where they are not following their protocol, they're not working right, you can fix a lot of issues by doing a hard reset. Now you will need to repair them with your device, reconnect them to the Wi-Fi and everything like that once you do this, which is another reason you might want to do it. If you want to set these up in a new place on a new Wi-Fi network, a hard reset is a necessary step in that process. So if you want to do that, we can go ahead and get started. It's real simple. All we need to do is come in with on the remote control, and on the remote control on the on button, we're just going to press and hold that button for at least 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, you'll see the device will blink, indicating that the reset is complete.